Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about my June BoxyCharm, and I received it 2 days ago. So I have everything on my face right now, and I cannot wait to let you know what the products are. But before we jump right to it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and also ring the bell so that way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos, which I do beauty reviews, tutorials, so I do a lot of that stuff. But I also post on my Instagram, so make sure that you check it out. I will put the link down in the description box as well. So if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, BoxyCharm is a beauty-based subscription box where you do get 4 to 5 full-sized items, and it will only cost you $21, which is not bad at all. And it's so worth it because the products are high-end and I love my BoxyCharm boxes. I did get this BoxyCharm as a PR package, but I'm always really honest with you guys, and my loyalty lies to my viewers. Alright, so here is the box right here. You do also get the Boxy Luxe, which is a little bit more expensive than the regular BoxyCharm that you do get each month, but let's jump right to it. So each month you do get a theme, and this month's theme is BoxyCharm Getaway. So this is what it looks like. It is very summery. It seems like BoxyCharm is really getting ready for that summer vibe. So the first thing that I wanted to show you guys is the Tarte palette. So if you guys love palettes, BoxyCharm almost always have palettes in their boxes, so it's really cool. So this is what it looks like, and this one is the Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. So this one is packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades. Your new Tarte BU Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless and natural looks, from the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones. This palette will flatter all skin tones while blending smoothly thanks to its Amazonian clay formula. So as you can see, this is what I created my look with this palette. I love how this one is super earth toned, and I love that you can actually use this for an everyday and also for at night, because you have that dark brown right there, which is so creamy, so pretty. The way these shadow blends on my eyelids, they look really amazing. I love the shine. I love everything about it. Super lightweight, and you do have a full-size mirror. The packaging is also really nice, so I really like that. And that itself, if you buy that at Sephora, it is $36. Alright, so the next product in here is Touch in Soul No Problem Prime Essence, and this is what it looks like. So this one is a serum, and what it does is it let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky and smooth. And I've used this yesterday as well as today, so this is what I'm using right now underneath my foundation, and I absolutely love it. It's super lightweight. It does have that little tube thing in there to get the product out, but other than that, it makes your skin really smooth, and it does hide the pores, which I really love. So this one is $23 if you buy it at Sephora, which that itself is the price of the box. Alright, so this one is actually my favorite product in here. So this one is the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. So this is what it looks like. So I've never tried their lip line, and this is my first time. So this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. I love everything about this product. And this one says, add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with a lightweight non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. So this is what I'm wearing right now underneath a lip liner, and I absolutely love it. I love the shine that this Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss gives. I do love that wet type consistency. It's very lightweight. It doesn't have any taste to it. And I love the doe foot applicator. It is flat on top, so you can actually just glide it on your lips, and it distributes the product really well. So that's what it looks like. It is so pretty, and as you can see, it shines so nicely, and it does stay for a little while as well. I did use this yesterday at work, and I applied it around like 8:30, and by the time like 3 o'clock, I already ate and everything, and at 3 o'clock it was still like some of it is still there, so I had to like reapply. But I really love it. I really love it. So this product is $17 if you buy it on its own. Alright, so the next product in here is the St. Tropez Self Tan Classic Bronzing Mousse. So this is a trial size. So this one says, for our most iconic, natural and healthy looking tan, the lightweight classic mousse tailors to your individual skin tone. For our longest lasting tan in one application. So I did use a little bit of this. I tested it out on here, and I can say that it is very lightweight. It does have that lightweight moussey consistency. I just actually distributed this on my arms. So this is what that looks like when it's distributed on its own. And then you just kind of get that around there, you know. So it's not spotty or anything like that. So it's very nice on the skin, and it makes your skin kind of smooth, which is really cool. So this one is $24, but again, this one is a trial size, so I'm not sure how much this is. I would say it's about like $10, if so. So $10 to $12 if anything, but other than that, I love this as well. So the last product in here is a lip liner that I'm actually wearing right now. It is the Dirty Little Secret lip liner. So this one, this is what it looks like. So again, this is a full-size item. This one is actually really nice as well. So it's kind of like that baby pink. So it's kind of like that baby peachy pink color. So that's what it looks like. So this one says, smooth and creamy, this Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create a perfect pout. So I love that this one glides on really nicely on the lips as well. And I can say that I've lined my lips really well with this. Again, it stays on really nicely throughout the day. And I just love it. I love the color. I love that it is still kind of that nude consistency, so you can wear this alone, or you can wear it on top of a lip balm, lip gloss, or a lipstick. So I love that. And this one is $15 in total. Okay, so the total of the box is $115.50, which I think is more than justifies the box itself. I mean, the products in here are absolutely amazing for the month of June, and I absolutely love everything that I got. So I would highly recommend it if you guys are interested. There is a link down in the description box. I do not get anything, but let me know if you already are subscribed to BoxyCharm. Let me know what your favorite products are, and I will see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.